Hi everybody, welcome to Live with Children here at DDF Summit in Berlin. It's day one, the sun is shining, and I'm delighted to be joined by Maj-Britt Michael and Michael Black from BENEO, who are going to give you an overview of BENEO and what they're talking to businesses about this week. First of all, Maj-Britt, Michael, how are you both?
Great, thank you.
Glad to be here.
Yeah.
Well, it's lovely to see you both. In fact, Maj-Britt, you and I actually did an interview way back when, October or November 2019.
Oh, we did, yeah.
USP-NF.
Yeah.
So, for those people not familiar with BENEO, can you give me an update on the business?
Yeah, BENEO is the producer of functional ingredients that are all plant-based and that are sold into food, feed and pharma. And Michael and I are actually here representing the pharma team of BENEO at the DDF in Berlin.
Brilliant. So, what are you actually talking about here this week?
Well, I will be doing a talk on Wednesday morning about using galenIQ, which is our excipient, in continuous manufacturing processes.
Right, and how does it help within that particular process?
Yeah, well, galenIQ is a filler binder, so it's used to make tablets. And in a continuous manufacturing process, what's very important is the powder feeding process. So we did a comparative study with another polyol, and we have the results of that, and I'll be presenting that and showing the advantages and suitability of galenIQ for continuous manufacturing processes.
That's brilliant. Now, actually, one thing I forgot to mention is you and I actually met only a month ago in Birmingham.
That's right.
At the Manufacturing Chemist event, which you also spoke at. So did you speak about chemist manufacturing there as well?
No, in Birmingham I spoke about something completely different, and that was, I can show them here, making mini tablets with galenIQ. Can you see those?
I can see those.
Yeah, so those are actual tablets. They're 2 millimeters in diameter, and they're made on a tableting machine with a special punch, but using galenIQ 721 as a filler binder. And obviously these are orodispersible mini tablets, so they dissolve in the mouth, and it's suitable for applications such as for pediatrics or geriatric medicine.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
So there you go. If you're here, you can learn not just about continuous manufacturing, but also about those mini tablets.
Yeah, and also other things, because galenIQ is the filler binder that makes medicine taste better. So also if you have taste issues with your formulation, you can come and talk to us this week, and we'll be able to show you how to use galenIQ to get a better palatability.
Fantastic. So there you go, viewers. So if you're here this week at DDF Summit, you can talk to Maj-Britt and Michael and learn more about BENEO's solution. Now, if people can't make it here this week, where else can they meet you?
Yeah, well, we're on tour again later. Beginning of September, we'll be at the Farmsci in Belfast, Northern Ireland, together with our UK distributor, which is Chemlink, Harke. At the end of September, we're in Dublin at the Making Pharmaceuticals Ireland, also again with Harke, and I will be presenting the mini tablets again at Making Pharmaceuticals Ireland. And then, of course, the big one is the CPHI in Frankfurt in November.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Look, it's lovely to see you both. You're looking fantastically well, so it's good to see you. Have a great show this week. There you go, viewers. If you're here, come and see Michael and Maj-Britt and learn more about their solutions. Check out the talk that Michael's doing this week. If you can't do that, we've done various other events for that, or check out their website and internet. Until next time, as always, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.